headphones on a regular basis, then you may be asking yourself sometimes something like, hey, I have my buddy right next to me here, and I want to really share the music that I'm listening to with him. So how do you do this? Like normally you can't just connect two headphones here to your smartphone. Maybe you are able to connect to a smartphone, but you can't play the music to both headphones at the same time. So how do we do this? And this is actually possible with these kind of headphones that I have here. This is here the JBL 710 GA, and on the right that's the 310 GA. And these have the capability to connect to each other, and that way they can share the music. So now let me show you how this is done, and also how well does this work. Okay, so first of all, we're going to take here my smartphone, and I'm going to connect the Everest 310 to it. So I just turn this on in this case, and the headphones here have been paired with this phone before, so it's going to automatically pair in this case. In case you were wondering how to pair your headphones to the smartphone, then maybe check out this video here in the upper right corner. And so now let me go here ahead, and I'm playing some music on these headphones. And now if you take a look at the bottom here, there's this icon here, this circle with an S in it. And there's the button that belongs to it, and you just push this really shortly, really briefly. And then you're going to hear this jingle here, this sentence.
JBL EVEREST is ready to share. Go to the pairing menu of the other headphone.
And now, next we're going to go to the other headphones here, and we're also going to turn those on. And this has the same kind of button here, the circle with the S in it. And we're also going to push the button here, and then you are going to hear the following.
Sharing successful. JBL EVEREST has connected to the other headphone.
And so this means at this point these headphones are connected to each other, and now we can share the music between each other. Okay, so now let's start the music playback and take a listen. Okay, so now let's go a little bit closer here to the microphone. Maybe you can hear here what I can hear. If you see any, or if you can hear any weird. Yeah, I'm not sure if you were able to hear this, but it seems like the two headphones are a little bit out of sync. So it appears that the 310, which are directly connected to the smartphone, are playing the music a little bit earlier than the 710, which are here in line with the 310. So as long as you don't want to sing together, and you have to be in sync, then this feature works. But okay, let me know what you think about this, and so leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones here.